Hello everyone, welcome to Map and Filter Functions in Python coding exercise. In Python, map allows you to process and transform the items of the iterables or collections without using a for loop. In Python, there is this map function which applies the given function to each item of a given iterable construct, which can be a list, tuple, etc., and returns a map object. The syntax for map is map function, iterable. In Python, filter function returns an iterator when the items are filtered through a function to test if the item is true or not. In this coding exercise, I am going to implement a map function and a filter function. This video will be divided into two parts. In order to implement map, we will first create a list, maybe the days of the week, and now I am going to apply map function. And I'm going to print the result. So in the map function, I have just swapped the case of my items in the list. So as you can see, the capital letters have become lowercase and the lowercase letters have become capital letters. So in this way, you can map the string functions to the list that you have just now created. Another implementation of map, in this, I'm going to create a list and corresponding strings. And now I'm going to map the strings and numbers. For this, I will be using lambda function that we have studied in our previous video. And now I'm going to print my new list, mapped list. So you can see that my strings and the numbers have been mapped together. In the second part of the video, we are going to see how we can implement the filter function. Thanks for watching this video. Everyone, welcome to Map and Filter Functions in Python Part 2. As we have seen in the previous video, how we can implement map function. In this video, we are going to implement the function filter function. To do so, I'm going to first create a list. Let's say a list of marks. And then a function, let's say student. And I'm going to return if the score is less than 33. Now I'm going to call my function Here we have implemented the filter function, which will filter the marks based on the condition that I have given inside the function. And then we are going to print the final list, that is the fail list. The students who have failed, those who have marks less than 33. So I have to add few marks which are less than 33. The function name is student. Alright, so these are the students who have actually failed, and they have failed for the marks that they have gotten at 23, 12 and 10. So in this way we can implement the filter function, where in which the filter function is used to filter the score based on the condition that we have provided. Thanks for watching this video.